Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize your feed on Bluesky and make sure you'll have logged in officially, and you will just move in the left. Here is the categories, so you will just choose this feeds option, which is a hash icon. Just tap on it simply, and from here you will just move is which is top is a gear icon. You will just tap on it. So from here is the pinned feeds, so you can just customization from here. And how to customize it, I will just show you. So here is my news feed, and if I want to just put them upward, I will just tap on it, which is arrow goes to upward. I will just tap on it, and if I want to this my news feed is downward. So what gonna do, I will just tab on this downward. So simply, so if I just complete my customization, I will just tab on this save changes simply. So this is, you can just customizations on these feeds on your Bluesky. And you can also, if I scroll down, so from here are some categories of like mutuals and science, related to science and art. And if I just want to pin to my feeds, I will just tap on it, a plus icon. I will just simply tap on it, and here feeds update. So I will just top from here. So here you will see this is my art feed, and you can also customization from here. I will just show you. And if you want to upward this art, I will just tap to this upward icon, and here is now my art is upward and my news feed is downward. So this is, you can just save changes from here. So feeds updated. So this is, you can just customize your feed on Blue Sky. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.